so barroom cleanliness. We tried to take me upstairs for the ride. You tried to heat me right on the shoulder. I just can't say the drinker of my mind. She's a honky-tonk woman here. Give me the honky-tonk blues. The later for safe down in New York City. I had to put up some kind of a fight. She gave me that, she covered me in roses. She blew my nose, and then she blew my mind. And she's a honky-tonk woman, yeah. Give me the honky-tonk blues. She's a honky-tonk woman, yeah. Give me the honky-tonk blues. Play something, Andrew, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, big hand for our main guitar player, Mr. Andrew Coleman, please. And on the drums here, Mr. Jeff Hilliard. Our bass guitar player, Mr. Craig Mercer. And Mr. Kelly Brand, who's having a rest. On percussion, Mr. Ian Smith. Oh, and my lovely little friend here hiding, sitting down on keyboard. Big hand, Mr. Chaz Whitney. And Mr. John Lynn, guitar player, organizer. And all the lovely people who played tonight, I can just see some of them here. We've got John, and we've got Richard, we've got Joe, we've got someone else in the dark, and Jeff waving to me. Got this, Jeff.